Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Paula and this is my humble little corner of the internet, and here we do everything in beauty, skincare, hair, makeup, beauty tools, reviews, try on, fashion, you name it. Everything you have to do with beauty, we do. Alright, so if it is the kind of video you like to watch, I invite you to subscribe and stay, join us, join the family. I'd like to thank you so much for my returning supporters. Appreciate you guys a bunch, thank you. So today's video, super funny video. We're going to be trying some of the Mercier new tinted moisturizer blush, and I'm super excited to try this collection. I've been seeing them all over Instagram, so I'm glad to get my hands on them, and they are super pretty. So I'm using one of the shade today. Is the first one here, and it's gorgeous. So I have them swatched here already, all the shades. And so if you want to know how these shades look and perform, keep watching. And the link for Mercier is going to be in the description of this video if you guys decide to give them a try. So let's watch this beauty because they are stunning. The shades are gorgeous. So this is all the 5 shades that I have here. Alright guys, so we have the package here that I got from Mercier with some of the creamy blush new collection, and they are stunning. Creamy blush is great for, at least for me, I love them now for the warm weather if I don't want to wear powder product. So I just put a little tinted moisturizer on and a little bit of gloss, a little bit of creamy blush, and good to go. So I'm gonna show you guys all the shades and we're gonna swatch them, and I'm gonna try one of them. So I have my makeup done, but I do not have a blush on, so I'm gonna show you guys all the shades that I got. I got 5 shades here. So this is the 5 shades that we're going to be trying today. They are stunning, beautiful. Alright, so let's pick one for we use today with this makeup here. Alright, so creamy blush I like to apply or with my fingers or with a sponge. So I do have a sponge here. Don't mind her, she's a little stained, but because I use her for this makeup, but who cares, right? So I'm going to swatch the shades here, so when we finish I can show you. Alright, so this is the first shade. I'm going to swatch here, and in the end when we're done with all the shade I'll show you guys. But it's super pretty. Here is the first shade that I told you guys. So we're going to be using this shade today. So I have a little mirror here. Get my mirror, so I'm going to be looking at my mirror. Just bear with me. So I'm gonna use a little bit of the shade that I already have on my finger. Pretty. So I'm gonna add a little bit more. Then I'm just going to blend it in. Very pretty, just the way I like it. Now let's apply to this side. That is the shade. Super beautiful, super soft, just the way I like it. Alright, so this was the MISTRAL shade. Now let's go to swatch our next shade. So the next is the CROISETTE. I think that is the name on. Let's see if this is in. This is the second shade, also very beautiful. So now let's swatch this one that looks gorgeous. It's called Sun Drenched. Let's see the shade. Let's use some drenched shade. So now let's go to our next shade. So our next shade is going to be in the name. Is shade number 4. Next shade, so our last shade here is French Riviera. And that is the last shade, the French Riviera shade. Very pretty, all of them. And this is our last shade for today. I'm gonna get a little bit of this last shade that I still have on my finger, and I'm gonna tap on my lips. Beautiful. I love to use my creamy blush sometime in my lips too. You can wear on your eyelids. Where you like it, we can use it. So this is all for this video little reveal. The product is gorgeous, it's very creamy, love it. And they are the Tinted Moisturizer blush. So you guys let me know in the comment below which one of them is your favorite, because to be honest, I love all of them. And thank you so much for watching. Thank you Mercier for sending me them for try. I'm gonna have the link down below on the description of this video if you guys decide to give it a try, where you can find this beauty on Mercier's site. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next video.